this is my first sampler box, and it's something like a pinch me. And they say use samples, and then you review it. It says, hello there, we like to meet you new go-to products. So, first I got a coupon, 2 classic now in one M&Ms, and it's at Walmart. And it's for the crunchy M&M crunchy cookie M&Ms. So that's that. Walmart. 2 classics. I also got a $100 wine voucher. And this is the cookies. M&M. So I'm going to try this. Tell you how good it is. I love M&Ms and I like cookies. So the cookie M&Ms taste like Cookie Crisp cereal. It smells really good. It's called Sexy Interlude. I got Degree Advanced 72 Hour, and this one is Cool Rush. It smells like a very light perfume. Like a cool perfume. Very mild. But good smelling. Thumbs up. Then I got Olika. It's an ultra hydrating hand sanitizer. It gives off about 300 plus sprays. This is Orange Blossom. It affects about 99.9% of germs, bacteria. So open this up, and it's a keychain. So this way you can get ahead and chain it to something in your car or whatever and keep it handy. A mist comes out. It smells really good. It smells like a light citrus. Okay, and you can refill it. Put the liquid in here, put the top on here. And then close it. Okay.